Greetings, this is David Luftig, the Agricultural Sciences Librarian here at Washington State University. In this short video, I'm going to talk about finding and utilizing the best terms for academic database searches. In short, what we're trying to do is use a set of keywords that relates to our research so as to find the best results in the most efficient way. Our real goal is to turn our topic idea into search terms that we can plug into an academic search engine. Finding keywords is the first step in exploring a research topic. So let's back up a bit. Say we're doing a paper and we're interested in exploring how climate change affects wheat production. Now the term production is probably too vague to use, but I'm going to use this as an example anyway and address that later. To answer our question, it won't be beneficial to just go to an academic database like Web of Science and type in, how does climate change affect wheat production? Instead, we need to select the words and ideas from our research questions that we can use in our search. So what are those words? When I'm looking for keywords, I often ask myself, what am I studying? What are the variables? So looking back in our research question, what impact does climate change have on wheat production? I can pull out climate change, wheat, and production. Terms like impact or effects I'm going to ignore for now as we're looking in a research database. So many of these articles are already looking at effects and impacts. So I'm just going to focus on those variables. Okay, now we have our three key concepts: climate change, wheat, and production. Here's the thing though, I don't want to miss any research because I'm not thinking or framing the research terms in a way that another researcher might. For example, I may say climate change, but another researcher may say global warming, and I don't want to miss their research. So now it's important to start thinking of some synonyms and similar concepts. So maybe for climate change, we can use global warming or greenhouse effect, climate crisis, weather destabilization, and there's really much more. The second term is wheat. When we're looking for some possible synonyms, perhaps we could use cereal or a specific type of wheat name, maybe durum. And finally, our last keyword is production. And some synonyms for that could be yield or crop or harvest or output or more. It never hurts to do a web search for synonyms or similar concepts. You can also talk to your peers, instructor, or a librarian regarding how they may frame a concept. So now we have our main idea broken down into many keywords with all their synonyms. In our next video, we're going to chain all of these keywords together so we can build powerful and efficient search statements and easily find research in academic databases. Have any questions? Please contact me or the university libraries.